So up next, we are venturing into the adventure zone. And if you can check this out, check out the decoration. I really feel like I'm immersed in, it's like I'm taking an adventure. And here we are at our next zone. This is the adventure zone. Ooh, there are even rocks and grasses on here. This is very cool. I'm having so much fun. And yes, we are now at the adventure zone. Oh, hi.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, I'm having so much fun.
I'm Nagamatsu. I'm doing global marketing.
Oh, nice. So let me ask you, what is your favorite part about the Triton?
My favorite point is toughness and comfort.
Toughness and comfort. Yes, I can definitely see that. Would you like to show us more about the car?
Yes. Look at this style. The new Triton have not only this toughness design, but also powerful engine and updated frame and suspension, ready for any adventure.
Wow, I am so hyped. I just want to hop on and drive away. Do you still have anything more to show us?
Yes. Triton have a convenient interior, comfortable interior. I will open the door. Please take a seat.
Oh, I'm just gonna, okay.
As you can feel, there are huge space and we have many pockets here.
Wow, yeah, like check out the space here between my knees and the seat. It's very comfortable. Like if you're tall, like you wouldn't have a problem sitting in here. And check out these two spaces where you can put your tablet in here and your smartphone. I know for a long drive, you probably want to get on like your tablet and watch movies and stuff. So this is super convenient, I can confirm. Alrighty, I would love to, keep sitting in the Triton, but I gotta get moving because we still have so much to explore. Ooh, bye, thank you so much.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.